Lacquerware is created by items made of wood with layers of lacquer, a natural resin obtained from the lacquer tree. Lacquer tableware, such as serving boxes and bowls, is an essential aspect of Japanese culinary culture and widely used even today. Lacquer, known as urushi in Japanese, is a natural material obtained from the sap of a particular tree. These urushi trees have been cultivated as a source of lacquer since ancient times. When the trunk of a tree is cut, it produces a resin to try and repair the wound. This resin is urushi. The resin is a milky white color when it is collected. Various pigments are added to color this resin. For example, if iron powder is added, it causes a chemical reaction with the lacquer which turns it black. The colored lacquer is used as a coating on the wooden base. After a layer of lacquer has been applied evenly, it is left to dry. This process is repeated numerous times to build up a surface that gives the item durability and luster. The bowl is coated with black lacquer. The deep gleam adds a sense of refinement to its beauty. This type of lacquerware is frequently seen in Japan. This tray has been varnished with a clear lacquer. In this technique, the wood itself is impregnated with the lacquer. The natural gleam highlights the beauty of the grain of the wood. Akira Murayama is one of Japan's leading wood craftsmen, and he has been recognized as a living national treasure. Most of Murayama's works are lacquered using a technique known as fuki-urushi. This is how the fuki-urushi technique is done. First, a coating of lacquer is applied to the wood using a brush. The urushi is wiped thoroughly with a cloth to ensure that it has been applied evenly. Allowing the wood to soak up the lacquer helps to make the patterns of the grain stand out more clearly. The surface is then carefully polished with sandpaper. This entire procedure is then repeated 5 or 6 more times. The coat of urushi is applied, then polished and sandpapered. Repeating these steps ensures that the simple, natural beauty of the wood is seen at its best. The entire process can take months to produce a single piece. Here are some of the pieces that Murayama has made using the fuki-urushi technique. He says he tries to listen to the voice of the wood as he works it. In these pieces, the surface of the wood seems to emanate a gentle warmth. Lacquer working techniques like this help to impart an extra depth of beauty to wood, which is such an essential part of the Japanese tradition.